Hello, it's me. Do you know the difference between a tornado and a hurricane? Well, here's one. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground, while a hurricane is a tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters. It's important to note that both tornadoes and hurricanes are extreme weather events that can cause significant damage and loss of life. However, they are different in terms of their formation, intensity, and impact. First, let's talk about the formation of these twisters. Tornadoes typically form over land when warm and cold air masses meet and the air becomes unstable. The warm air rises rapidly, which forms clouds and also causes even more instability. Eventually, a strong updraft forms within the storm cloud, which is a spinning column of air. As the updraft gets stronger, it starts to form a funnel shape, and when it reaches the ground, it becomes a tornado. On the other hand, hurricanes form over warm ocean water and are fueled by the heat energy released when water vapor condenses. As a tropical weather system starts to form, air rises as it cools. Water vapor condenses, forming clouds and releasing heat. This heat causes even more vapor to rise and the cycle continues, causing the storm to grow. A well-formed tropical cyclone with wind speeds of at least 74 miles per hour is classified as a hurricane. Next, let's discuss the intensity of tornadoes versus hurricanes. Tornadoes are more intense than hurricanes in terms of wind speed and damage potential. The most intense tornadoes can have wind speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. In contrast, the strongest hurricanes have wind speeds of around 150 miles per hour. While tornadoes are more intense, they are much smaller in size compared to hurricanes. Tornadoes typically affect areas within a few miles, whereas hurricanes can span hundreds of miles. In terms of impact, both tornadoes and hurricanes can cause catastrophic damage. Tornadoes can completely destroy buildings and lift heavy objects off the ground due to their intense winds. They can also be deadly, although they usually affect a smaller area. On the other hand, hurricanes cause damage over a larger area due to their size and can cause flooding, high winds, and storm surge, which is a rise in sea level that occurs during a storm. So there you have it, the difference between a tornado and a hurricane. Both are powerful forces of nature that should be respected and prepared for accordingly. If you live in an area where these twisters occur, it's important to stay vigilant and follow the advice of local authorities. Remember to stay safe. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.